There are many ways to get you through the labor process, but remember, it's a long haul, so you're going to need a lot of tricks up your sleeve. The first one is going to be, don't spend your labor lying in bed. Get up, move around, use gravity. Gravity really helps enhance and speed up the labor process. Because labor is a long process, you need to do things like keeping your bladder empty, staying very well hydrated. You can have your partner help coach and talk to you through the contractions. Use all of your senses to keep you distracted. Use your eyes, your ears, your hearing, your touch senses. That can be done by using little techniques like massage, aromatherapy, music. Don't go to the hospital or the birthing center too soon. Labor is going to be a long haul. Talk to your provider in the beginning of labor, but you're not ready to go until they tell you you're ready to go.